In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Excel app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you're getting challenges with your Microsoft Excel app, maybe the app cannot open, it is too slow, some features are not working, or the app keeps stopping, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To fix these issues, you need to go to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for apps. Now under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Excel like this. Now tap on it to open. Here, go to force stop and OK. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache. OK. Then clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and then you want to ensure that you're not using any VPN on your phone. If you have any VPN turned on, you will need to turn it off. Or if you have any recently installed security app, you may also want to uninstall it, as this might be the reason for your issue. Then go to Google Play Store and just search for your app. So I'll just search for my app. Excel app is here, and tap on it. Check and then see if we have any update. Update your app to the latest version. However, if your app keeps stopping, for that it means that Microsoft Excel app has bugs, and to fix this, you will need to uninstall the app and then install it afresh. By doing so, you'll have cleared all the bugs associated with your app. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.